Hi, here at H. Mitchell Car Sales, we're very pleased to be able to offer for sale this 2021 Ford Puma 1 litre EcoBoost ST line. This is a 125 brake horsepower model. This car's finished in frozen white. It's got the LED daytime driving lights, black grille, front fog lights, body coloured styling kit, body coloured mirror covers with side repeaters, rear privacy glass, 17-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, front near side alloy wheel, inside the car you've got the charcoal grey cloth upholstery with the red stitching, and you've got the checkered design for the centre panels. Rear passenger area, so in the rear of the car you've got room for 3 passengers. Isofix fixing points for the baby seat, electric rear window openings, near side rear alloy wheel. Moving around to the rear of the car you've got the rear parking sensors, so inside the rear load area you've got the 60/40 split rear seat, onto the driver's side of the car now. Driver's side rear alloy wheel. Inside the car on the driver's door you've got the controls for the electric windows all round, electric mirror adjustment, and this has got the electric folding mirrors, automatic headlamps, centre armrest with internal storage box. Inside the storage box is a USB plug-in point. This car's on 21,892 miles. Centre console, you've got the controls for the eco mode. You can turn off the traction control system, and you've also got the stop start deactivation switch. 6-speed gearbox, USB and 12-volt plug-in points for accessories. You've got the climate control. Then you've got the 8-inch touchscreen media system. So that's got the AM, FM and DAB radio stations. You've got Bluetooth connectivity, so as you can play music from an external device. Full screen navigation. You've got the hands-free phone operation as well. Controls at the end of the indicator stalk for the lane departure mode. You've got the cruise control and speed limiter on the steering wheel. On the other side you've got the controls for answering or rejecting calls. You've also got voice control if your phone's compatible. Leather steering wheel with the red stitching. Back outside the car again, identification plate that tells it's a Ford Puma ST line 1 litre EcoBoost, and it's a 125 PS engine. It's back outside again. ST line wing badges, driver side front alloy wheel, Okay, I hope you find this video informative. Any further questions regarding this car, please contact us by phoning 01924 411 323 or send an email to mail@hmitchellcarsales.co.uk. Thank you for watching. We look forward to your inquiry. Bye.